All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to remove all this stuff and then probably cut away that and do all this other stuff here. I got to grind down some of this gel coat and other things so I can go fiberglass up this seam. And that's kind of the game plan today. So clean this all up, get some of this stuff and gook that dripped out of all these places all out, clean this all up, get it ready for fiberglass again, and then let it dry again, and then grind some more and fair some more stuff down. All right, let's go to it. No Mikey today. Mikey is not here. Oh, my rubber clamps sticking to everything. No one told me about that. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's take a quick look. All right, so grind this down. We'll build this up with fiberglass there. Cut all that. Same thing. This is going to get built up, faired out. Built up, faired out. That. And that. All right. Okay, so this is all set up. Pretty hard, so it's all dried, pretty good. I got my tarp on. Rained a little bit while this dried. You can see here, I mean, this is solid, and then this is gonna get all sanded down, and I think we'll be good for some fairing compound. And there you have it. Over here, all filled in. Hard. There was nothing there before, so this is just to kind of seal that up, but I think we're pretty good to go. All right, everyone, and that is it. Back of the boat looks like it is actually all patched in now, so it probably could float if I went in the water. Probably would, and we should be good to go. The next step, I'm gonna get this all sanded out, evened out, and we're gonna fair it in so that it's nice and flat, and hopefully paint it. I'm just gonna paint it black. That's all that I'm doing. Nothing more than that. Nice black transom so it stays black. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. Have a great day.